Today, I'm going to run an impossible machine. Well, some people think it's impossible to run. I'm here at Citizen Machinery UK to meet Chris, who's going to teach me how to run the BNE 51. Now, I've never used Mitsubishi control before. I've definitely never used a Citizen machine before. So this is going to be quite interesting. I'm slightly nervous, but I've got Chris on my side, so I'm really looking forward to it. So let's get inside, find Chris, and let's get this show on the road. Right, we need to find Chris. So Elliot, come on, this way, let's go. Good morning.
Morning, mate.
How you doing?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good. Are you?
No, nervous, nervous. So come on then, I get to be an apprentice again. What's happening?
Get on with it.
Wait, that's a nice part, isn't it?
Yeah, it's pretty good.
So this is what we're going to make today?
Well, I'm not making it, you're making it.
Oh dear, right. Well,
Right, BNE, let's do it.
BNE, come on, because I'm not doing it on my own.
I'll help you.
Right, so what are we... You've
So-
literally stripped the machine.
So this mess is your mess. It's not my mess.
Thanks.
So we just need to bolt these in,
Yeah.
set them, teach
I like
them.
how you're making it so... You've just got to do this and do that, and it's... Yeah.
I took them out, I've done my bit. So I'll show you how to set one or two and then have a go.
Now, tell me something. Why do people think this machine is impossible to run?
It's the superimposed. People were a little bit scared of it. So I've got some of the superimposed tools out for you to give a go anyway.
And then...
Don't go
Mitsubishi
pressing
control.
things unless you know what you're doing. Or...
Yeah, but I don't. I'm just turning the screen on.
No, yeah.
Yeah, I've never used a Mitsubishi control before.
It'll be all right. It'll be absolutely fine. But you're going to be the pilot.
You've got confidence.
You're going to be the pilot.
Right, okay.
I'm going to be Mr. Miyagi or whatever his name is.
You're just going to be the guy that stands and shouts orders.
Yeah.
Go on then, where do we start?
Right, okay. So first thing you want to do
Yeah.
is we'll select the program. So all of your setting is done in this thing called preparation page. And this is where all your tool geometries are. They've got these really nice little pretty pictures to show you which tool goes.
It's nice touchscreen as well.
Yeah,
It's quite nice actually. I quite like that.
So first thing that you want to do
Yeah,
is go to Program Select
yeah.
in your preparation page. Like I said, everything's in here. And then we'll select the program, however you want to do it, up and down. Press Enter. It will say, do you want to put all the correct data in there? Yeah, sod it, just put it in. So what that's done there is uploaded all the tool geometry for each holder.
Right.
So now the machine knows that tool holder's been bolted on and it knows the centre line of that spindle. So only thing what we need to teach on that is your Z-axis, and that's it. It's
Okay.
nice and simple. Nice and simple.
Right, so we're going for the program.
Yep, yep, yep. So this is your machining data.
Yep.
So the machine works off of this. So this will tell you bar stop. Your position point is where the tool's always going to rapid to. Cut off tool width. And this is what will calculate all the machine datum. So in the background, you know, like your G54, your G57s and stuff like that.
Can I just say, right, we're going to start throwing G-codes around. It's been a while since I've machined anything in G-code, because normally it's conversational. Last time I ran a machine was probably 3 years ago.
So this is going to be hard work.
And it was a I was going to say it was a 5-axis machine, but it wasn't. It was a 3+2.
We'll cut the programming today then.
No, we'll go through it, but let's just beware. It's been a while.
No, it's fine. Right, okay. So this is, from your point of view,
Yep.
this is just setting all the machine datums. It's got like your chuck length in there. And then this is where...
Pretty straightforward from what...
Yeah, so you'd
everything is.
just put this in once the program's proven out.
Yeah.
And this is your turning tools, your tools that the machine are using. So look at this little pretty picture, bolt it in on that tool number basically. It's as easy as that.
Brilliant.
So now that program's in, you're ready to start bolting stuff in. So again, everything is done through your preparation page.
Yeah.
So the tools what I've taken out, I've cleared the offset so people can't say, well, they were set before. Yeah.
I've got one question for you though. Obviously, 2 turrets.
Yeah.
How do you know which, is it, do you have like 10 tools in that turret and then 11, 12, 13 in that turret? Is it one or the other?
Yeah, so you've got turret 1, turret 2 there.
Right.
So tools 1 to 12 top, and then 21 to 32s on the bottom.
That's all right. So I'm just making sure I can't put the wrong tool in the wrong...
Well, what you'll do is
turret.
you'll go to index the tool and the wrong turret will move, and then you'll look like an idiot. So.
That's going to be probably numerous times today. So anyway, let's
So
See, even that guy thought it was funny over there.
that's James. So all you need to look at is tool 1.
Yep.
There you go, that's the tool holder what we're looking for, if there's one there. And then we'll bolt it in, set the tool. But first thing, you can get your hands dirty
Brilliant.
and chuck in the collets. Dins, so the machine comes standard with dins. Ideally Heimbach would be better, but this is the standard chuck what comes with it. So
Go on then, you show us how the first one, I'll try to do the second one.
you want to get your underwear from down there.
Oh, stop it! Honestly, you didn't have to bring your own clothes for us to do. Anyway,
Right, you're gonna do some stuff on here first.
oh, you've just said right. Okay, you
Right.
said get my hands dirty.
So close your door.
Yeah.
We just need to lock the main spindle. So again,
Okay.
everything's done in here. Look for something called I can't even say that word.
Peripheral device.
Yep. And then we'll look for.
You're going to get it as much as you get it me. You know
Yeah.
this.
So spindle 1 brake.
Yeah.
And I'll just press cycle start. Go on, you're all right. So the brake's on now. Open the door, and then you can undo them with some. There's your door open.
I was looking for it. Yeah, but come on, you've got to give me that. Normally they're over here somewhere.
Yeah, I'll
Being
let
up
you.
there is a bit out of the.
There you go. Watch your hands in there, and then
Yep.
just undo them 6 bolts on the cap nut.
What in?
On the spindle. Yep.
I how I'm getting my hands dirty. Brilliant.
I didn't do them up too tight for you, did I?
Really? Really? What, so undo them completely and take it off?
Yeah. I would have had that off by now.
Oh, God. Why did I agree to this? It's nearly off. What's up with you?
I mean, 6 bolts. I got my hands dirty taking it all apart today, so you can do this bit.
Well, I've put this on, because
Yeah.
if it gets dirty, I'm fine. See, I thought about it.
Let's see if the cap nut ends up in the
No,
bottom.
no.
Right, you
Right.
should just be able to, that should just, it's a bit of a wiggle, and it should just sort of slide off. There you go. Cleanliness is key.
Yeah, as always.
Keep everything nice and clean. That's your main spindle. She should just poke in there.
Yeah. So keep everything clean.
Yep. Just watch your hands on the tools. First aider's not here today.
Right, and then put that back on.
Yep, put that back on. As long as the bolt holes line up, it doesn't matter which orientation. Yep.
Okay, this is like I know what I'm doing.
For once.
It's definitely a no-go. Beautiful.
All good? Right,
All good.
chuck your bar in, mate.
I love how it's always chucking.
Yeah, okay, place your bar in
All
there
right.
carefully.
What's the technicalness on that then?
If you see that, don't run it, basically. There you go.
Right, how far in?
A little bit further in. Doesn't really matter at this point. And
Yep.
then your main spindle collets are just here.
What,
Yeah.
so just...
Yeah, press it, mate. Oh. Press and hold it, maybe.
Oh, press and hold it. Honestly, I'm trying to learn this with this.
What can I say?
Right. Sub spindle next.
Let's do it. Can you remember this?
Yes. So,
That one?
on
Yep.
there,
Spindle 2.
spindle 2 brake.
Ah, so she's already on.
Oh, there you go.
There you go, I've done that earlier for you. This is hard work.
No, but at least I remembered where it was on the programme.
Yeah, you did all right, actually. Just
Right,
like-
Chris, that's the second one out.
Yeah,
Now,
you've got to put your pokey thing
this,
in there now.
this
Yeah.
I'm not really sure what this is. I've never seen one of these before.
Yeah, it's,
So, what do I have to do with this?
close the door.
Close the door, stop it.
Yeah, go to your provision, whatever it's called.
Yeah.
Work ejector.
This one.
Yeah. And then press cycle start. That will send the knockout tube forwards in
Yeah.
the spindle. And then I'll do this bit for
Go
you.
on then. Go on then. Just
Stand,
sort of...
stand back. It's just like a little bayonet.
All right.
You can have a play afterwards if you want. If you push it and then twist it,
Yeah.
it will just pop off.
You are.
Push it and then twist it,
Yeah.
it will just pull out. There you go. Now put it back in.
Yeah, what's that for?
It's to knock the part out.
Right, so this wants to stay in there?
Yeah, leave it in there.
Right.
God help me.
And then the collet in?
Yep, so you can put the collet in now if you want. And then
Cleanliness is key?
cleanliness is key. Put it on there, do your clap. And
I did always wonder how the ejectors came out.
there you go, mate.
Tell you, learn something new every day.
We're getting there.
If anybody wants to send me a job application
Yeah.
for a sliding head, I'll be there soon. I can't see I'll be making parts that quickly.
That's it, mate.
Right, so what's the next step once this is done?
Right, we'll start putting some tools in on the turrets,
Yeah.
and then we just set them, and then you can prove it through.
Brilliant. Can't wait for that bit.
That's the fun bit. You want to make some swarf, don't you?
Yeah, always. It's nothing better.
It's a pretty good aggressive program.
Right, last bolt. So I do like how simple they've made this, to be fair.
Yeah, I mean the Heimbachs are definitely quicker.
With the
With the gun, but the Din is just a good, I don't know, like
all-round standard.
yeah, and cheap solution, isn't it? You know, a Heimbach is really good, but it is up there on the cost.
Right.
There you go. Right, send your knockout bar back.
So back in here.
Yeah, just close the door. So any time you press that start button with stuff like
does
this,
the
yeah.
So work ejector retreat,
Yep, that's it.
and then cycle start.
Yep. Right, so we're
There you go, and it's disappeared.
right. So
It's
we're
always a good sign.
yeah. So let's start putting some tools on. So
Right.
preparation mode again.
Yep.
So we'll go with head one.
Which is what we're in, tool
Yeah.
one.
So just have a look on the turret.
So head one is the top one.
That's head one.
Head two down here.
Yeah.
So head one, tool,
Tool one.
which is down here,
Up opposite side.
which is there.
Yep.
So we need to pull that round.
Yeah. So
Shut the door.
So we can do it with the door open if you want.
Okay.
So if you just highlight the tool what you want,
Yep.
press tool select. It will take a while because the door's open
Yeah.
or not. Yeah.
Safety first.
Yeah, but if you do it with the door closed, one hit and it'll
Yeah.
just spin.
Ah.
I'll just show you two methods of doing it. Yeah.
Yeah, well, the thing is, yeah.
If you
There'll be a need to do it this way, and there'll be a need to do it the other way.
yeah. You'll see it moves a lot quicker with the door closed.
Right then. Tool one.
Yeah, so always hold the button down
Yeah.
until it says complete. Well, you normally hear that.
If you don't, you've then sort of got to reorientate
you-
the turret.
Well, what it would do is it would just sit there flashing, saying I've not completed.
Ah,
So
okay.
if you close the door, I'll select another tool and I'll show you. If I go like tool 4,
Yeah.
that's just a little bit.
It's just
Yeah.
quicker, isn't it?
So what we'll do is we'll select tool 12 to put the tool up. So then you go straight onto the tool 1 there.
Yes.
That one there.
Are we down here?
Yep, that's tool 1.
You said it was up. See, I'm blaming you. You said I'll have it up.
Let's-
So anyway.
let's
Right, so what tool are we putting in first?
Let's
Where's
not
the
fall
li-
out. So
Where's the pretty little picture?
right, so these are turret 1 tools, turret
Turret two.
tool. So let's look for the picture. Tool 1. That's the holder you want. So I'll do one for you. Cleanliness is key.
See, these are the ones I'm looking forward to putting in.
Big power tools, mate.
Yeah. But the ones with the driven tooling on the back.
Yeah.
Because I've never,
Right.
like, they're simple enough. You put them in,
Get your knickers.
screw them in. I think he's having a bit too much fun, do you?
So what I like, I always bring the turret down. So
Right.
sorry, should have shown you that.
Put it in manual.
Yeah, go to
and then-
manual, jog,
Yeah.
head 1, and then you can just bring that down to you. You can lift it up in the Y to make it a bit easier as well.
So if you're short, you can make it easier.
Yeah, I'm just making it
'Cause
easier
I'm just
for
going
you.
to say, mate, neither of us have really been gifted with.
No,
Right.
I'll admit that. you go.
Listen for the click and you know it starts.
Yeah, it shouldn't fall out. I mean, that's why I always have it one station up, just to make sure.
Oh, right, because normally, yeah.
Yeah, because otherwise you end up with that tool in the bottom and a nice dent in the bottom of the machine.
And yeah, I don't really want Citizen coming to me for that.
It's not me you got to deal with, it's John.
See, you say this, but John's lovely every time I spoke to him.
John's the man. Right, I'll set this one.
Yeah.
And then I'll show you, and then you can have a go. Well, you've got to do the rest.
Beautiful. Literally watching you like a hawk.
There you go, mate. Nice and easy. Right, okay. So we'll set.
Are we setting that, or are we going to add
we're
all
going
the
for it,
tools
mate.
first?
Well, it's up to you. What do you want to do? How would you
Well,
set it?
well, I'd normally put all the tools in and then set them.
Well, let's go with it.
Yeah?
Let's go with it. You having a go?
Go on then.
Right. So preparation.
Yep.
So I think it's tool. Let's wait. Yeah, there you go. So tool 3
This
is
one.
the next tool. Yeah. So if you do that, that's the tool holder. What you're looking for.
So it's this funky looking tool right here.
Yep.
And then that's going in up here.
Yep.
And then if you look at that,
So that big. So you.
so if you look at that, so the big
front
lump
is
thing is going like that.
No, it's the opposite way, because the turret's upside down.
Oh yeah, so it's the opposite way to
Yeah.
that. So it goes in like that. Right.
Yep. Cleanliness is key.
And I was waiting for you.
What?
Right.
You're my apprentice.
I know, is this nice that you're the one that gets to keep your hands clean today?
Yeah.
Well, ish.
Keeping them clean.
There you go. Have your knickers
I
back.
just put it in my face. Oh, she's on.
Look at that.
Looking smooth, mate.
You've only given me 3 there.
I weren't that good at school, all right?
And then, I'm not even going to bring it up. But the longer bolts for the longer bit.
I put the longer bolts in the shorter one. See how you get on.
Why do I feel like you're setting me up to fail there? And again, these don't have to be like.
You know, you just want a
absolutely
decent. You want like a decent nip on them. Like
Yeah.
if you end up doing them too tight and you strip the thread in the turret, then you end up blaming us.
That is sort of where I'm going right now.
Yeah. You're gonna blame me, thanks,
Yeah.
man. Put your hands on them tools, man. You're a lunatic.
Been here, done that.
That's a good nip, that is.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Not going to lie, that was a bit of a.
There you go. That'll do. Right. You happy
Beautiful.
with that?
Yep. So,
Right.
two
So
tools
we'll,
in.
yep. So we need.
Tool.
So I know it's going to be one of the cross tools.
Yep.
So that's what you're looking for. Got one over there.
Yep.
So like
So
I
then-
said, if you select the tool just before that, that will leave it in the correct place to be able to push it in.
Yeah, so we want 5, so if you select 4.
Yeah.
And then.
So,
Right. Go on.
so you got, if you go tool select,
Yep.
you've got a couple of options here. So at the moment, I just want it to index where it is. So if it's safe, just index.
Yep.
But if you put it to there, that will move to a safe point. So I'll just show
Okay.
you that as well.
So if you're doing this halfway through a job,
Yeah.
you can make sure it's out the way
Yeah.
and you're not going to.
So if you had to change a tool for some reason and you were in that state,
Yeah.
it will move home, and then index.
Right, I get you.
But if where we had it earlier,
We know that if it rotates, it's not going to hit anything.
it's safe there. It's not going to hit anything. If you change it to that, that should just select a. That's already on tool 4. So.
Yeah, so if you select a different tool.
Yeah, let's go tool 1. That will just stay where it is.
Yeah.
So you've got a couple of options. I like to keep it.
Just where it is. But we
Yeah.
know it's not going to hit anything because
Yeah.
we've not started anything yet.
Yeah, some people are a bit cautious, but
So,
you've got multiple options there.
right, so the next tool,
Yeah. Slide hammer.
what you gave me that for?
I'm going to do it. I'll
Oh,
do
go on
it.
then.
Look.
I was going to.
I'm
See,
doing-
this is what I was wondering about earlier. On how they come out.
Yeah. They're like the tightest bungs ever made.
Technical.
There you go. It's easy as that. Cleanliness is key. Oh my God.
That's your fault.
Is it? Is it?
It's all right, I found them all. Don't panic. Don't panic.
Is it my fault?
Right, now this is a question for you. When I put this in...
Yep. So that's where your coolant comes
yeah,
through.
so this has got to match.
So the coolant will always come from the side the turret is mounted to. But you need to make sure the tang drive is in line. So when that goes in, that tang...
has to be straight up.
Yeah. Luckily with that sort of power tool, and then you'll hit the O-ring, and you might, there you go, straight away, straight in. There you go.
That one.
There you go. I'm going home.
It's all right. Answer me one thing. Why has 3 of these got a washer? And it hasn't, because I checked. There's not one on the floor.
Because you've thrown it halfway across my showroom, haven't you? It might still be in the tool holder.
There you go then.
Thanks for losing it.
It's fine. Don't panic.
I'm not panicking.
So the coolant ring is always to the right.
It's
so it's where the turret is. So on this side, it'd be in the opposite drive.
That's it.
I don't know why, but I was always taught to do your bolts at a diagonal.
You've got that if you need to be able to get over them tools a bit better.
I like how I'm 3 bolts deep before you're giving me the cheat sheet.
I was going to let you struggle, man.
That's all right. I'm just going to do it with this one now. You've done it.
Just don't want you to break that little ball nose just above it.
Oh, yes. Jesus.
Yeah, you didn't even see it, did you?
I knew it was there.
Did you?
No. This is quite... Right. I'm not going to say this is easy, because that's the wrong word, but it's quite straightforward.
You haven't picked the tool up in how long?
Exactly. It's quite straightforward.
And you're getting on all right with it?
It's quite straightforward to get them in the machine.
Yeah.
Right, so the next tool...
Yeah, so we've got a power tool, another power tool, so that's a face tool. And that's going to be tool 9, so I'll let you do it. If you want to do it with the door open or closed?
So tool select.
Yep.
Leave it there.
Yep, press and hold it.
Do I need to put jog on?
No.
Just hold it?
So with the door open, it's a double press. Let go and then hold it now. There you go.
Ah, right, okay.
So if you let go of that at any point, that will stop. So like if you panic or something like that.
Ah, so if you are going to hit something, it's not just going to carry on carry on and carry on and carry on.
So like if you let go now,
it's just going to flash at me.
Yeah, so it's waiting for you for it to complete.
And then if I hold this now until it says complete, then we know right now.
So now you've got the tool selection complete. And if that green light was still flashing, it's not complete. So if you're mid-cycle, the machine could get funny about it. So just wait
now, can you get rid of that to then show you what's... So
there you go. So now that's the tool what you're looking for.
Which is obviously there.
Here's one what I made earlier.
Why are you taking the nuts out?
Because we've already lost one of our washers.
So this one's going in number 8, which is...
Ability, isn't it?
You are?
Yeah, tool 8.
No, we're not going in tool 8, because there's already one in tool 8.
No, we're not going in tool 8, we're going in tool 9.
Tool 9?
Yeah, split it up a little bit. There you go, yeah.
Right, so we're in tool 9.
Yep.
So screw this in.
Yeah, you don't have to go all the way in. That'll be all right. And then just give it a couple of little... There you go.
And then, right. I've already done it before you say anything.
Cleanliness is key.
So then, with what we've learned...
So with this one, you just want it... So that the coolant goes through both of these.
And it comes out this way. Yeah. And then you don't...
So you want it as that picture looks.
Yeah. But
so that's pointing towards head 1. So there it will say H1. That's your spindle number. And then your spindle, which primary spindle it's looking at.
And then obviously you want that straight up so it fits in.
The tang.
The tang.
She'll go in. Give it a little... She's home. It won't fall out.
I know. Did you notice that, how slowly I pulled away from it? Because it is a bit nerve-wracking thinking it's going to come out.
Power tools aren't the cheapest things in the world either, are they?
Not if I drop one. Nice little cut out on the power tool for the Allen key.
Yeah. I left my Tommy bar at home.
Yeah.
So we're gonna, to lock them up, we're gonna have to use a spanner. It's a bit crude, but it works.
What, to lock there?
Yeah, I'll show you.
Don't. Come on then, let's have a spanner. Let's do it the old school way.
That's what I do. Like I say, they don't need to be super tight. They won't come off. That washer, what you lost on the other one, is there to stop them from falling out.
I think you lost it and then you
Did
just
I?
blamed me for it.
Everything was fine until you turned up.
There we go.
Right, that's
Old
head
school.
1. All bolted in. You want to do head 2, get them done, and we'll just set them all? Yeah?
Yeah, it might be the quickest way, won't it?
Right, let's get that out the way. There's 2 ways of doing it.
Yeah.
We can jog it.
So you can just do it manually.
Yeah, and that will go up, but you might hit a hard stop, and then you have to jog it off the hard stop.
Right, okay.
What I like to do, keep it all in preparation, and you've got select retract, and you can choose which turret you want to retract. So I want to do head 1, X and Y, and if you just press and hold that, and that will always move it out the way. So like even
But it'll not hit the hard stop, so
No.
you're not worried.
But like if we're setting a turning tool and you're touching the material,
Yeah.
if you use that, you can't wind it the wrong way, can you?
Ah, I get you.
That's how I like to
How
do
many
it.
times have you done that, by the way?
It's, as an
Not
apprentice,
I was going to say, not recently.
as an apprentice a few times.
I've done that. You know when you got the 3D tester probe in, and you got to wind. You wind in, so you wind in and touch that, and then you got to wind it that way, and you cut up. Yeah.
Bang.
Yeah.
And then you're like, yeah, I need a new probe.
And then you have to clock them in, and it is an awful job.
Right.
Right. So turret 2,
That's it.
and then
Right. Right, so that's one what I've deleted.
yeah,
So tool 21.
which is that one. So we've got 28 at the top at the moment.
Yep. So what I'd probably do is let's just jog this out and get it in the centre. So
So-
press manual. $2, head 2,
Yep.
and now just have a go, have a play. That won't.
I was going to say, how
Yeah,
far
keep-
will it go?
Yeah, you're right.
I didn't really want to go, but that's far enough, isn't it?
You choose. You choose, man.
I can get in at that. I
You
can get
happy?
in at that.
You
Yeah,
happy?
yeah. I can get
Right.
in at that,
Okay.
yeah. So come on then, what's next? So prepare. Back to the.
Yep. So just index the tool round to where you want it. So
So
tool select. That's it.
that's what I was looking for. Yeah.
Yep.
Index turret 2.
Yep. Yep. And then that is going to be just index where is.
Yeah.
So press and hold. You have to press it twice.
So now we're looking for tool 21.
Well, you're going to 27 for some reason there.
Hey,
I'm not sure what you're doing here. Let me take over. Right, let's go 21.
I'm going to say I blame the guy who was teaching me.
Right, there you go.
Yeah. So go to tool number 21. That's going to make it life easier, isn't it?
Let's just open the door. Close the door, man.
Beautiful.
Right, 21's there.
Yeah,
So
but, but then can you not? Is there a way of manually rotating? Well, there is a way of manually just rotating. Because why wouldn't you do it here? So then it's just there. You're not
yeah.
reaching over.
Yeah. So what I would do is I'd call up tool 30, which would put the tool there.
So tool select,
Let's close the door.
tool 30,
Yep.
and then just.
Yep. Press. Hold it. There you go. And you're right there, mate.
Look at that wall.
Here's your knickers.
See? Thank you very much. So we're going for tool 21.
Yep.
Which is here. Make sure everything's nice and clean. And then, you don't trust me with that now, do you?
I don't trust you with the bolts, mate. So, if you look at the pretty picture, that'll tell you the orientation you
Yep.
want it.
Well,
Yep.
so you wanted to go that way?
No.
Oh, sorry, that
No, yep.
turret's on the right way, isn't it?
Yep.
So if it's on the top, it's the opposite way to that,
Yeah.
and if it's at the bottom, it's the right way.
Yeah, so as you see in that picture, that's how it gets bolted on.
Like so.
Like so, on tool 21.
Which is here.
She's in.
See, I knew I was going to get hands-on today, but I didn't think I was going to get this hands-on. This is great fun.
Got to keep you busy.
I just feel like you're setting this up for something, and you're just making me do it instead of you.
I don't want to do it, that's why.
I just think you invited me here to set a machine up and then you can just stand there and do nothing.
I've set these machines too much, you know. That'd be good for someone else to do it. On
Brilliant.
camera as well.
Hmm?
It's good to have someone else on camera.
Yeah, do you know what? We'll maybe cut that bit out.
Yeah.
No, it is one thing I've always wanted to do, is to learn a bit more about some of the types of machines. Obviously, we talk about, how many times have me and you spoke about this machine?
Loads of times, but everybody is sort of under the impression it's difficult to set, and this is a guy who hasn't touched the machine in how long?
I was wondering where you were going with that then before you started,
Yeah.
but yeah.
But you understand the principle of machining, like you've done it.
Yeah.
That's what I'm getting at. Is you haven't been back on a machine tool, and it
I
will
like
show.
even the system.
Yeah.
I've never used Mitsubishi before.
Yeah,
but it's quite intuitive of where you need to get to and
Yeah.
where you go.
And it's good to show, like, look, a guy who's been off the machine tools can
Yeah.
jump on it and just.
So somebody who's running a machine like this daily could
Yeah.
jump on this and within
Yeah,
a week
exactly.
be absolutely rolling.
Exactly.
Right, anyway, that's tool 21.
Right, 22. Next one. So you're looking for that?
Jesus Christ.
Yep. So as you see it there,
Yeah, so that way.
that's it, mate.
That makes it a lot easier.
Having pictures makes it easier.
It's just, yeah. I think if you were to do this, what we're winning now, 22.
Yep.
So we went down here.
That was a good cleaning technique.
Thank you.
That was great. Give it a wiggle.
I give it a wiggle.
Not we have to get the hammer out.
There we go.
Is she home?
She's home. Yeah, it's don't get me wrong, when I first saw these machines, and you do see how fast, and when you've got superimposed machining and you think, wow.
This is what this is, like, I want to show people the tool setting. Everybody says the tool setting, you've got to be so careful about it, but I want to show people how easy it actually is.
Again, I like how you're doing that, you're making that point using me, but anyway.
Who better?
I'll not take it to heart, I promise.
Oh, I'll take it to heart.
Yeah, but again, it's yeah, like you said, there's no magic to it. There's no
The controller.
there's no really fancy system. There's no like you're not
The controller's doing the hard work for you. The macros and stuff that Citizen have created are doing the complicated stuff. So like as we're proving it out, I'll be able to read the G code and tell you what's coming next. So you'll know what to expect.
I do have said I'm not a fan of double-sided tools because that's got my knuckle skin written all over it.
Yeah, don't worry. The M had a stab at me yesterday.
I've just got a feeling that.
Only a little diddy one, but you know.
Right.
Happy with that?
Yeah, just checking. It was only a small thud when that one went on compared to the others, so.
Good.
Yep. Job done.
Right.
So
next.
3 tools to go.
Yeah.
3 tools to go.
So that'll be 24 next, which we want.
But then, so if we want 24, wouldn't you call up?
Yeah. So where's 24?
The 24's here.
Yeah. So I'd probably call up like 21, 22, something like that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Whatever you want.
No. So
You're the pilot.
tool select. Tool
Another way of doing that.
21.
What you're doing is perfect.
But
There's another way. Is like you can just, if that page wants to close, just tab 2021 there, and then press tool select.
and then
So you don't have to
and then
type
shut
in.
the door.
Yep.
Press it once and then press it again.
There you go. And we want to go a
So
little bit further. Sorry.
yeah. So we want to go like.
We're not even looking for 24, are we? Okay. It's a blind leading the frickin' blind here. Okay, 24 set. Sorry. So we want.
We want 26, 27, 28.
That's it. So 26.
Yep.
Yep. So maybe call up what 24-ish.
And then
Yep.
tool select. Door's already shut.
That's
so
it.
It should let me go.
There you go.
Beautiful. And then again.
Side hammer.
Yeah. Sorry, did I leave that on?
Yeah, don't worry, I'll do it for
Can't
you.
get the staff. So we're going for 20. What are we going for now? 26?
Yep. I'm going to need a strong drink after this.
I'll take it off this time, I promise.
Yeah, that's all right.
Just leaving a mess everywhere.
I'm going to take these. There you go.
Somebody's just got a nice shot of my ear there, just saying.
All right, coolant holes.
Yeah, so coolant hole on the back of here is there, which then goes
That
to
way,
the turret.
yeah. That's
and
it.
then the dog,
Yeah.
or the, what do you call it?
I call it a tang, I don't know
A
if that's the
tang.
right word.
Straight onto the machine.
Yeah. She's home.
Beautiful. See, even that, I didn't see even little things like that, like the tang having to be square on with the machine. What
We'll show that later.
What are you trying to say? It's going to be Christmas by the time we get this running.
Yeah.
Brilliant.
I've got a headache as well, you know. We'll show you that Christmas demo later.
Yeah, it's going to be a good demo, that.
You can have a sneak peek.
I was going to say, get in. You can't tell me you've not shouted at nuts and bolts over the years.
Yeah, they normally end up in the bottom. You know when you're rushing to get get a demo set up or something
100%.
like that, and you're rushing, and then they end up in the bottom. And you got a load of bloody
It's usually when you're doing it and somebody talks to you, and you've not quite got the first thread caught, and you turn around and you go like that. And
Yeah. I've never stripped any of the bolts in the turret though. I've never done that, no. Which is good.
So if I let you put them last two in,
I'll do that. I'll do the last. No, I'm not. I'm not doing it. You're doing it. I think I would have been probably set by now.
all right, all right. Jesus, calm your boots.
He's not doing too bad.
That
He's not doing too bad.
2 to go.
He's only bolted stuff in though.
I'm going to say we ain't got to the control yet.
Yeah.
Right.
2 to go.
So you know where these want to go now.
Well, I thought it did. So I reckon 28. Yeah.
Yeah. So
28.
So if we
there's one before that. So 27.
yeah, which is that one.
So I think you can get to that now.
Yep.
Yep. Which is the static tool.
All the tools are now in the machine. Quite confident I've done that right. But now comes the nervous part of setting them. Now, will you stop messing with things until we get there? And I've actually got you a present as well.
Yeah.
I brought you a nice book.
Thanks, man.
So, be nice to it. So what are we doing now?
We're going to use this as setting paper.
Honestly, you give people presents and they just rip them to bits.
The machine does come with probes, or it's an option.
Right.
Let's do it old school. I'm going to do it old school with you. Right. Look, I'm going to set a couple, and then I'll let you have a go.
Brilliant.
I'm a bit nervous about this. I'm not going to lie. Right.
You're not the only one.
So preparation. Everything's in preparation.
We're going for turret 1, tool 1.
Yeah. So we'll do one turret just so we don't get lost. I don't want you to get too confused.
All right, I'll have that one.
Yeah. So there's a couple of ways of doing it.
Yep.
Tool selection, like what you've been doing. Select the tool, or you can just go straight to measure set. So measure set is what we're going to use to measure the tool.
So in tool select and then measure set once you highlighted the correct tool.
Yeah. So you can either select that.
Yep.
Run this, index the tool.
Yep.
And then go to measure set, or you can just go to measure set and it will index the tool for you. So there's two ways. I'm going to do it the way what I like to do it. Tool 1 is already selected, so it's probably just going to do like a little bit of a dance, ready for setting. Press measure set, press and hold until. So
now it's.
And now what we do, open the door, wind it into. We're going to take a tiny little skim off the top of that, measure it, and then we'll go straight on to set the Z.
Oh, okay.
So you have to do it all through the handle. You can't do it with the.
No, yeah. I get that.
Yeah.
I get that.
So longitudinal. Down a little bit. So that should take a nice little cut.
So you know the diameter of that bar.
Yep. So I'm gonna physically take a cut now.
Yep.
Yep.
Obviously you know the diameter of that bar, so when you cut it, you know
Yeah.
how long the tool
Yeah,
is
exactly that. So just keep the feed rate down. It's just like a safety thing. So
Yep.
never close this window. If we close that window, we'll have to start again. So from this window, go to rotate, spindle 1, 1500 RPM, and then press spindle start. Spindle's running, close that. So now we've set the RPM, we can do it, we should be able to do it without going back into that. Longitudinal, and then...
So you've got it on just 10, so you're just going to take a slow cut.
I don't know if you want to call it slow, but up to you. Wind it away, stop the spindle.
Yep.
Get your adjustable spanner.
Honestly, guys, what am I doing here? Who calls a vernier an adjustable spanner? Seriously.
Right. Oh. I just ran over the cameraman there.
It's fine. He's loving life.
That's on umber. Make sure you're on diameter, not longitudinal. So just type in 46.81, enter. And now, if you have a look in the back, that's your offset, which is needed for that.
Yeah.
I hope.
So then, how do you set
Z? So let's go
Z.
straight. Let's go straight into the Z. So leave this window completely open. Just wind it up a little bit. Everything's done off the chuck nose.
Right. Okay.
So normally, like on a FANUC, you'd have to cancel the work shift. But on this control, you don't need to cancel the work shift. Never. You don't never have to go into MDI or whatever and cancel it. So the machine will calculate that through the G codes. So
again, take a skim off the front.
No, we'll just touch straight onto the chuck.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, straight onto the chuck. So just get it somewhere close. Just make sure I'm not rewinding into my camera. And then moved it onto micron.
God, I feel like I've gone back to like when I first started.
Just trying to show how easy it is, you know. So that piece of paper, I would always compensate for that, 0.1.
Yeah.
If you want to mic it up and be an idiot.
No, we'll go with 0.1.
Yeah.
Well, that's MTD paper though, so it might be 0.15.
I don't know what to say there, man. I don't know anymore. So you don't need to type Z, just 0.1 because it's on the that's
it's positive, innit?
not negative. Yeah. And then just press input. And for returning tool, I would expect to see about that.
Okay.
So that's all set. If you want to wind it away, just make sure you wind it away. But if it was me, at that point, you've always got a 0.1 gap there.
Yeah.
Is just press select retract. And
just retract it.
Yeah, it will never hit it. So what I'll do is I'll set one more, just to go through it quickly for you. And then you can set the sub spindle 1.
I like how you're giving me the sub spindle, but that's fine.
So we'll just put that in there and we can just tiggle to set our diameter. And again, everything's done off the spindle nose. So when you set the Z, it's on the spindle nose.
So is it worth then having a bit of bar that you know the exact diameter of to be able to put in each time you need? If you say you've got rid of all the tools out, if you've got a bit of bar, you can always put that in the sub spindle. Yeah, and
that's like ideal. But if the bar doesn't match like if your pick-off collet isn't the same size, it'd be a bit of an issue. What I tend to do is I just touch on the side of the spindle, because that's a ground surface on that spindle. You can just touch on that and then.
So can so instead of you taking a skim, you can just touch on that with the paper.
And that's
0.1, job done.
I just take a skim on that. It's just a bit more accurate than. But each their own. There's if somebody likes to touch it onto a ground surface or something like that, let them do that. Or each their own, man. So I'm not going to index it. Just press measure set again. So I'll move to a safe index point.
So as long as you've got the selected tool in preparation, as soon as you press measure set, it'll automatically jump to the right tool.
Yeah. Even if the tool was actually down here, it would retract the turret.
Just to make sure
it'll go up along index
Yeah.
ready to go. So,
But it's nice that you don't have to go into 3 or 4 different screens.
No.
Like you don't have to go into a, let's say, a tool select screen.
yeah,
Like,
no.
Sorry, you don't have to go into like a library.
Yeah.
Go into your library, move your tool, and then bring up measurement.
Yeah, exactly.
You can literally just hover over it, and it'll do it itself.
Yeah.
So again, that's just making things so much easier, so much quicker.
All right, so we do have to just go to rotate, fire the spindle up, longitude, and we'll just take a little skim. Doesn't need to be that much, but
Yeah.
whatever works for you.
As long as you can get your adjustable spanner in, you're all right.
Yeah, exactly, mate.
Honestly.
Or is it very nears?
Oh, guys, what are we going to do here?
All right.
Having fun there, Elliot? He's just resting the camera on my shoulder.
Make sure you're on diameter, not longitude
Yeah.
again. 44.69.
6.9.
Enter. So that's that tool now. Sorry, that one, so that's been entered.
Yep.
And then we'll go straight into the longitudinal with your piece of paper again.
And make sure you don't have it on 1,000 when you wind
Yeah, I mean, worst case is you're just gonna crack the insert. If you carry on going, then it's a problem. But if you crack the insert, we'll just put another one in it.
That's all right for you who's got a stock room full of inserts.
Well, yeah, true. Yeah, maybe I should. Yeah. Right. 0.1. Enter. So like now, if you were worried which way to push it, if you just select retract,
Yeah.
the easiest way of doing that is a 0.1 gap there.
So you know you're not going to do anything anyway because you've got that paper gap and then it's going to move out anyway.
It's going to move out the way. So let's set the sub spindle one now. So it is handy if you have something to be able to put in there. You can get it set straight away. If not, I tend to take that cover off. There's just 3 bolts. And then I can't remember exactly what it is, but it's like 114 or something like that.
So there is a way. There is a way if you haven't got something for the sub spindle.
Yeah, that's what I would do.
But then, really, how often do people change their tools?
So most of the tools will always stay in here. You know, it's going to be, you're always going to have your rough turn, you're going to have your finished turn, and stuff like that. You're going to have your threading tools in here. But you know, we can take a nice little skim off that.
Yeah,
Right?
and you know exactly what it is. Oh, wait a minute. Why is it you get a really big bit of bar, I get a 0.5?
Mate, I do this every day. This is your problem now.
Oh, great.
Right. So you can run that sequence with the door open, press and hold it, and it will all move really slowly, so you can understand what the machine's doing. So it doesn't matter if you're. So I should probably show you that. So you see, we're on tool 3, but we've got double holders.
Yeah. So you've got H1 and H2.
Yeah.
So H1 is main spindle, H2 is sub spindle.
So if you have a look at so that's your H number.
Yep.
And then H number, and it tells you which spindle. So it tries to be as bulletproof as possible.
Yeah.
So it doesn't matter if you're on diameter, core, or whatever. So now if you press your measure set, press and hold it, do a bit of a dance.
What?
Press and hold that. Go on, mate, you all ready? This is your time to shine.
I just love how we seem to have it in. We have it in.
So it's
we have it in Tom-proof mode where it's really slow.
So this is the thing that's going to move. That turret is in a fixed position now.
Yeah.
So this is. So when you put in the offset for longitudinal, it is still a positive number.
Okay.
Positive number. So when you're programming these, everything is programmed like the main spindle. So you don't have. So that's Z minus. If that tool's working on there, this is moving. That's still Z minus.
Okay.
So from a programming point of view, it's always. If you can program that turret here, you can program that there. So it's the same coordinates, tool vectors are the same, tool settings the same, X and Y are the same, X, Y and Z are the same, you know, your planes are the same and everything like that. So anyway, this is your moment.
Right.
So I'd probably just jog that back a little bit. So go longitudinal first.
Yep.
We'll just bump this back. So that's your...
Yeah. And then we're on sub, so we need 2.
Don't worry. So yeah.
Oh, so if you're on here...
Let's forget that bit up the top there, because that's redundant.
Oh, okay.
All right. So it's all what's on the screen here.
Yep.
So just
So we're on Z.
have a go, get a feel for it. Yep, so that's plenty of clearance.
Yep.
We'll do the Z first. So now press diameter up there, then wind it down.
Ah, so you don't have to touch anything
No,
on
it's
here.
all on the
You do
screen.
it all on, oh.
I mean, sometimes I wish I could just toggle, but
Yeah.
so just get that to a point where you're happy to touch on the face.
So doing the face first?
Yep. It doesn't matter which way you do it. So you want to be touching on the nose of the collet, not the part.
Oh, we're
Yeah.
doing that one first,
Yeah.
are we?
Yeah, do the collet nose first. There you go, mate.
And then,
Here's your fag paper, mate.
yeah, but we'll drop that into 1.
Yeah, so if it was me, 10 is fine.
Yeah?
Yeah, 1 you'll be sat there for a long time twisting it. Other way. There you go. Got it? Good grab? Right, 0.1.
So we're on longitude.
Yep.
So
There you go.
0.1.
Yeah, enter. Perfect.
So longitude is 0.10.
Yep. So,
So
now
now-
wind the positive just to get it away.
What, so that way?
Yep. Your fag paper, don't worry, we've got this rubbish MTD book for more.
Beautiful.
So wind it away and get it so you can just take a little cut off that part.
Off the top of here.
Yep.
So do you want it off the very top bit?
Yeah, just wherever you want, mate. I probably wouldn't go into an interrupted cut, but
Yeah.
it wouldn't matter.
Oh,
if you
yeah.
did. Yeah, get on that.
Sorry, I get you.
Yeah. That diameter there.
That should just skim it.
Let's have a tiggle.
Have a look. That should just skim it.
You're getting good at this. You're getting good at this. Aren't you? Right.
So that's,
Let the cameraman in there.
I'm going to say let Elliot have a look to show off my work.
Any good?
Oh, I don't want that.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
So then, rotary.
Yeah, so best thing to do now is just go to longitude because that's the only direction we want to move. We don't
Okay.
want to move it up and down. So press rotary. Spindle 2, type a number in, 1500 I reckon. If feeling brave, go 4000. But
Definitely
yeah.
not.
I don't think it does anything, but I just do that. So
And then spindle on.
yeah, with the door. So that should fire up.
Beautiful.
And now just make sure, I'd probably go 10
Yeah, 'cause
and
you
then
don't want to go
wind.
to a-
Remember
and then we're-
negatives towards the negative
So
side.
we're going negative, so we're going
Yeah.
that way.
Get moving.
Stop it. Honestly. Right, so that's now cut.
Yep. There you go.
So-
So spindle stop button.
That
That's
one?
it. That's it. And then you'll be able to open the door. So we'll just
Well,
close
that's
that. I'll just close that window for you.
Yep.
Sorry. There you go.
And then,
Open the door. That's it. Adjustable.
what have you called that? Do you know what? I half expected to close on it, says some silly number.
What do you reckon?
37.45.
Right. Diameter. Make sure you're on diameter here. Yep.
Yep. So 37.45.
Enter. Done.
Right, I'll let you have a go now. Just make sure I've measured it right, because obviously we are going to run this, so I don't just want to.
Spot on, mate.
Beautiful.
Spot on. I'll give you a 6 out of 10.
Wow.
6.
6. Why a 6 though?
Because I still have to tell you what to do for the first time. Right, get the turret out of the way. Can you remember
So-
that? Select retract.
Yeah. There.
That's it. That's just processing. That's why there's a little bit.
And then
Up to you if you want to close the door.
you
If
don't have
want-
to close the
no,
door here. So then,
Double press.
yeah, but retract
Turret 1.
turret 1.
That's it. So,
Beautiful.
So then they're done. They are. Let's set
Right, well, to keep this video at a shorter...
You want me to step in there?
Well, I've done one, and obviously it's not that difficult. You've just got to make sure you're on diameter or longitude.
Yeah.
But obviously we don't want this video to take all day, so
I'll step in.
I'm just going to let you jump in and do the rest of them, and then we can show
I'll
proving out.
Look, mate, I'll step in.
I'm letting you.
I'll step in. I'll step in. Well, I'll give it a go anyway.
Well, the students become the teacher now, so you can do this bit.
This is where I make a huge mistake and it goes sideways.
Oh.
So that's just set the cross power tools.
And can I just say as well how you made me set the sub spindle and not have that nice big bar to set. I'm still leaning on that.
Yeah, it's all right.
But I tell you what though, it is really nice to get back in a machine.
Yeah, it's good.
And do something. Like even it sounds really weird, but even like jogging a machine around that's actually cutting.
It's a bit different, isn't it?
It's quite nice. It's quite nice to think I've done that.
Well, you got to prove it out.
Yeah, I know you keep saying this.
Yeah,
it doesn't make it any more nervous for me. Even though you're setting the tools, I'm still nervous. But again, it's just it's not that complicated to do.
No,
and the system's really intuitive on how you do stuff. Like I really do like when you measure set. Like you don't have to go into a library, find the tool, rotate the turret, then measure it.
You just press go.
Yeah, you press go and it automatically just moves everything to where you need it to be.
Just want to say, if anybody pulls me up on that, compensating for the paper there.
Yeah.
All right. Compensating for the paper. Right. So that's all set because the longitudinal on that cross power tool.
Yeah.
Because it knows that spindle, it knows where the centre line of that is anyway.
Okay.
So we only have to set the X on that and that's it.
Oh, right, okay.
So we don't, that's it, it's done. So you've got this thing called tool pattern. So if you go into your tool pattern and we go to, what tool were we just on? Number 5. Number 5. There's your longitudinal value and then that's the X position which it puts in. So the offset which we've just gave it is from that value. But that's your longitudinal value in the back tap. That's the geometry for that tool holder basically. And that's stored with the program. So if we pulled that off, all of that data is in the background. So when
but then also the machine knows where the tool holder is as well for if there's any collisions or whatever. The machine will go, whoa, wait a minute.
Yeah.
No, I know there's a tool holder there. You can't go there.
Just watching my GoPro there. That was a bit intense there. Right, I think there's only one more tool to set on the top turret, isn't there?
Yeah.
That's that one, so measure set.
So again, obviously this looks quite long-winded, what we're doing here.
Yeah, it's
but
just because you're messing about.
First time I've ever done it, let's say. But again, even as someone who's only done it, in another 20 minutes or so, I'd have got all them tools set.
Would you?
Don't be like that. In 20 minutes, I'd have got all them tools set. So in 20 minutes, we'd have been all ready to go.
Yeah.
So even somebody who's never done it before, putting the tools in, setting the tools, isn't that long-winded.
Yeah, you've done all right, mate.
It's not that long-winded, and like I said, the control makes it easy.
Yeah.
It's just, I tell you one thing that is difficult though, is remembering to choose diameter or longitude on here and not be messing with the hand wheel.
You do it, yeah.
Because you automatically just like moving X, Y, whatever on the hand wheel. Or, so it is a bit strange to constantly come back to the control.
Yeah. So, again with that tool holder, we don't need to set the X because the
machine already knows where the holder is.
Yeah, because we've stated that holder, it knows what it is. So that top turret, I think we're done, mate. I think we're done. Right, turret 2. So we need to set that, whatever that is. So, setting a drill, mate.
Set a drill?
Yeah, why not?
So this is, go on then, so this is one thing we didn't set before. We set turning tools, we didn't set a drill. So
again, the machine knows where that pocket is.
So you're just doing the same thing, you're setting it
just on the, all on the spindle.
Yeah,
spindle
all on the spindle nose.
Yeah, and because that tool, the machine knows where the centre line is, thank you.
Technical bit of paper there.
MTD, mate.
MTD technical paper.
Yeah. So the machine knows where the centre line is, so we don't need to teach it that.
Yeah.
We just need to teach
So
it
again, a lot of this is, as long as you've told the machine...
the tool holders, and that's for the programmer to do. You know, if you've got programmers, operators and setters.
Yeah.
So the programmer would do all of this side of it, the
He'll
initial
determine
one.
what tool holder,
Yeah.
how to put it in, and then...
Yeah.
But a lot of this is done for you in the machine via the tool holder setup.
Yeah. Get rid of that. So you could have, oh yeah, I'll probably show you that next time round.
See,
Oh, sorry.
see, even that though, there's so many different ways of doing the same thing.
Yeah. So I'll just set the back spindle as well, just so I like to go through the order, so measure set on that. So that'll bring this into play now. So basically what it's done there...
It's not going to let you move the spindle through a bit of steel.
Yeah, so what it's done is it's calculated, you know, there's 100 mil stuck out of here, and then for setting purposes, it gives you like a 20 mil clearance.
Yeah.
It's saying I can't get 20 mil in front of that. That's what the problem was. So
yeah, but again, that's for safety reasons.
Yeah.
Again, it means that you're not going to try and set your back tool and wind your front tool straight through a bit of steel.
Yeah, so that's basically what it's doing. So the way I get around that is if I just adjust the machining data.
Yeah.
To get over.
But we haven't got anything in there really.
Yeah, so it's not going to cause an issue. Again, just wind it up. We don't need to tell it that pocket position. We're just winding it up.
It knows, doesn't it? It knows.
Yeah, touch the spindle nose. Like I said, the person who programmed it would have set all the tool holders up and everything, so that's stored with the program. So when the operator or whoever loads it in, all the tool holders are put on. So when we just need to teach the Z value, the length of it, and that's it. Might have overcooked it there. Point one again.
Yep.
And then what I'll do is you can either just retract it down, or we can just move the back spindle back this time, just so you make sure you don't wind it the wrong way.
Yeah.
That's how I like to do it.
But even again, there's so many little features to stop you worrying like that. Even when I was pulling the back spindle out, to get your head around which way it's moving.
Yeah. Just let it do it.
But yeah, exactly. Don't leave it up to you.
Yeah.
To try and go, because if you turn it the wrong way, the thing is, people go, yeah, but you got loads of room, but you might not have loads of room. If you've just set a 0.5 drill, you winding it 0.2 the wrong way, you've just snapped that drill.
Oh, it's dead.
So
it's dead.
But again, it's the little things in the background to stop that happening. And again, it's just, these are all little things I did not know. So don't get me wrong, like when I came in, you went, look, we're running this machine today. I was like, oh no.
Honestly, Citizen.
Oh no.
Oh mate, I was like that as well. I was in sheer panic.
Can we not run the RO4 thing? It's tiny.
That's even worse, man.
Yeah, but it's tiny. Things don't move.
Yeah.
This thing is just. You'll see at the end. The program when this is running, is just bonkers. Like when you've got both turrets, both spindles, all moving around in superimposed, it's like I really do understand why people go, that's quite technical, but it is. But what you've got here,
it
simplifies it.
Like I say, with what Citizen have done through the macros to make it as easy as possible, they've done a really, really good job.
Also, how many times have you banged your head on that top bar?
Me? Never. Have you banged your head on it?
No. Nobody just looked in the perfect position.
Yeah, well, there's still time. Start getting impatient soon.
You are?
I'll start getting impatient soon. That's done. So what we've got next, so set that one on the back.
See, for somebody who does it, who will be doing this all the time, it's actually quite a quick process.
You get into like a rhythm, and it's like any, you know, like this would be the same as jumping on the ABX, same measure set. It'd be the same as, you know, like this bit looks different to a Fanuc, I get that, but the way you cut and measure, it's the same as any other machine.
Yeah.
You're still cutting the measuring, and you're telling it whereabouts you are.
So really, it doesn't matter if you get this machine with a Fanuc control or a Mitsubishi control.
Yeah.
It's all, obviously the screens are going to look slightly different because obviously it's two different operating systems, but the bottom line is you're still doing everything the same inside the machine.
You know, like this is an old school way, you know, like if we've got the touch probes on here, you wouldn't even need to put work holding in or anything to get the tool set. But because this is a demo machine, we don't have the probes installed.
Well, that is an option for people who are, again, worried.
Yeah, but this is like the way most people would probably do it. It's the old school touching on with a piece of paper. So I thought I'd show people that. Well, that's what I thought.
I'm just intrigued. It's just, yeah. Yeah, I think once I did it, if I did it a few times, it'd be.
Yeah,
it's muscle memory, innit?
Oh yeah, I mean I've been setting these since I joined Citizen. So I never touched the Miano before I come here, no.
Sorry, Ola. It's getting in the way all the time. It's getting in the way.
Yeah, get out of the way, man.
I know, sorry.
36.46. Done. Right, what have we got next, mate?
Can't have many tools left now.
I'm getting bored of this as well. Have I done that one? Did I take a boring bar off there?
No. We didn't load any boring bars in.
Are you sure?
No.
Glad you remember.
Well, it says it's set.
Can't remember. Let's just go with that one, yeah. What are we setting here, though? Right.
Another drum?
Nah, it's power tool.
Ah, M-mill. Yeah, we definitely added that in.
Yeah. That's the one you threw me bolts halfway across
I didn't.
You did.
Look, there's no spacers on this floor. And even though you've had this really, really nice floor put in, you'd be able to see it for miles away.
People love a good floor video as well, don't they?
So how are you setting the M-mill? Just the same thing? Just just touch it on with the paper on the actual bit you've just, the diameter of your machine?
Yeah, or, you know, the bar. So a lot of people will say, oh, that will only be, you know, within 50 microns, 60 microns. You know, most of the jobs that come off a machine, a high volume machine like this, you know, they're sort of like they might be like 2 minute part, 3 minute part, 4 minute part. You just run one, and then that one you just size in, bang. You know, so like this way, this would get you within like your 50 micron zone or your 20 micron, depending on how good you are at tool setting. You'd run one, measure it, next one would be perfect. And that's how I used to do it back in the days.
Back in the day.
Yeah. Right. Plus 0.2 for the paper. 43.7.
So how many more tools we got to set here?
Can't remember. We're nearly there, don't worry.
We're nearly there.
Stop panicking.
I'm not, I'm getting to a point now where I want to run it.
Yeah, and I didn't think I'd be doing this.
We'd still be on first turret if I were doing it.
Yeah.
So it just makes it quicker for everybody at home to see.
I stepped up. Don't worry, I'll step in.
Yeah, but actually we're showing two sides of it. We're showing how somebody who's never done it before can do it, but then we're showing how quick it can be once you've done it for for quite a few years.
A couple of times. You know,
Yeah.
I've done it once or twice.
That's what I mean.
All right. We're nearly there though, I think.
So it's not really as time consuming as people would think.
Yeah, people think it's and this part is pretty involved, you know. Yeah, the program's proven and stuff like that, but it's a pretty involved part. Point one. I think there's one more to do.
Yeah.
And it's just that. Is it?
No, we didn't take that one out.
We took a power tool out, didn't we?
Not all of them.
That one. There you go.
Yeah, I was going to say.
I'm just going to retract that back. Tool 28. Put myself out there.
See, it doesn't matter how many times you do it, you can still
Yeah.
flick the wrong switch. So last tool, and then
That's it. And cut
Yep.
some swarf.
we'll go to make a mess.
That's it, mate. There you go, mate. That's your job done.
Done.
Well, I've done
Done.
it for you.
Thank you very much.
Okay, so before we get started with running the demo, how would you think Tom's done so far?
It's been horrendous. I'm not going to lie, man. No, actually, to be fair, he's picked it up pretty quick. You know, it's not been too bad. He's done all right. But don't let him know this. He's picked to it. He's warmed to it quite easily.
Even though he dropped some stuff, but
You know, that's a bit annoying. I've got to go find a washer now, but never mind. What else can we do?
we can invoice him, don't worry.
Let the CEO know, yeah?
Yeah.
Are you confident you've set them tools right?
Well, no. I'm confident in mine. It's yours.
I'm confident.
You sure?
Well, there's a way we can check if we've done everything right.
Yep. Check.
So,
Press check mode.
check button.
High speed check.
Here we go.
My habit is to turn the feed rate down.
It's already on 0.
Yeah.
Already done it.
Press go. See what it does.
Oh.
That is a great start. That
It's
is.
running. It's running. So what's this actually doing now?
So it's running through the motions in the background, not moving the machine, dry run basically. It will check for interferences, over travels, anything that you've sort of done wrong.
But it'll check if all the tools are set right, that sort of
Yeah.
thing. So if a tool's not set right, it's gonna bomb out and go,
Yeah.
lads, you forgot one.
Yeah.
But up to now, it looks like we're all right.
Looks like you're cooking there, mate.
So what's the next step once this is done?
Cut the metal, mate.
Yeah. Brilliant.
So you're going
Make a
to...
mess. Make a mess is next. So
There's two different ways. So we just go gunno, cycle start, use the feed rate, sort of just up and down, you
Yeah.
know. Wear this out, probably. Or we can use something called the handle, which I think you should probably give that a go and see what happens. So you're done?
So it gives you the cycle time as well. 3 minutes, 8
Yep.
seconds.
Yep.
Not a bad
Yep.
time.
So what I'll do is I'll feed the material out for you, and then you can go from there.
All right.
Or do
All
you,
right.
No, you do it then.
Go on then.
You know.
Go on then, what am I doing?
It's all up to you now.
So go on then, show me.
Right.
So into prepare.
So, nope, all in check mode again.
Right, okay.
So if you press handle, one cycle, press the cycle start button.
What, so press
The handle's on, so the blue's
Yeah.
highlighted.
cycle 1's on.
Yep,
Press start.
yep. Machine won't move, so if you wind the feed rate up to 100%, machine won't physically move.
Yep.
Grab your handle, and then you dictate how fast you want
We'll
it to go.
do it on 100 for now.
Well, no, you see how that behaves. Is that too
Oh,
fast?
that's- Yeah,
Back it down a little bit.
we'll move that down.
There you go. So that's full rapid with the machine.
Yeah.
And then if you wind backwards, so you can wind backwards up to 7 lines in the program.
Right. So if I wind this down now to,
Yep.
is this going to stop?
Yep.
And then I've just heard it undo the.
Yep. So now what you need to do is if you open the door,
And then.
pull that out onto the stop. Yep.
Yeah.
Now close the collet.
Which is this side.
Yep.
Yeah.
So we've just, because this is like a demo environment, we've just got like another 2 MOs to
Just to make sure
just
it's
confirm. So normally this is where your bar feed would push it forwards a bit.
So shut the door.
Close the door, mate. You're still on the handle.
Right.
Yep.
So I can still go from the handle.
So I'll press the cycle start
Thank
for
you.
you. Yep. Right, so from here is you.
Well, we're not moving.
There's just a dwell there. So you're winding through the dwell.
Oh, okay.
So if you want me to
Oh, there we
check
go.
it-
So we're
yeah.
out.
Yeah.
Right, so then this goes.
Yeah. So what you need to do now is you're going to have 3 tools to watch to make sure
Oh,
the Z's
no.
going. So I can see that the turning tool's good. Just check the drill on the front face.
That it's not going to.
Yep.
But again, what I like about this is I can, if I'm not happy.
Yeah. So with this, once you know that tool, that drill is in the right place, you might need to get a bit of power, because you'll see the top tool might start to spark. So you might just want to keep a little bit of a feed onto it. So you're all good. Give it a bit more welly. There you go. Otherwise the tool won't cut and will kill it. Then you can explain why we've got to go and buy some more tools again.
Yeah, but how mad's that this is only running because of the hand wheel?
Yeah. So like now, it's up to you. You can sort of.
So again, but you've got to keep on going because obviously that tool's still in cut.
Yeah.
So now.
It's going to keep going at the moment. So you're still cutting. Still cutting at the moment.
Yeah, but if I'm unhappy and I want to just check.
So that's got to the end of a point. It can't go back at that. That's within a cycle. It can't go back.
So we know now that's going to cut, right?
Yeah.
So how would I then just set that running?
Right, so I don't want to do that, just because
Okay.
we're still proving
All
out
right,
tools.
so-
But if you didn't want to use the handle,
Yeah,
so kill your feed rate. So kill your feed rate down.
yeah.
Untick handle. Yeah, keep the feed down, press cycle start. And now that is that's what's in control now. So just keep just as you feel comfortable. Just make sure the
Oh,
tools.
this is horrible. This
make-
is awful.
Oh, brilliant! That's the best way to sell the machine. There you go. Go and wind into it now. Just catch it once it for the next tool though, yeah.
I don't mean this. You know what I mean? This is.
Right.
How many times have you done this?
Loads of time.
So I
Cool.
can keep catching it and stopping it, and
Yeah,
then.
yeah. However you want to do it.
I'm just really nervous now about what you said about not letting it run at like 5-10%.
Yeah.
If I break a tool,
It doesn't matter about tools.
oh, see, this is what I just don't like boring bars.
It all looks like it's in the right place to me, mate.
It looks like it's working all right, doesn't it? Now, to be fair, it is quite nice doing it this way though, because if you've got something and some spindle at the same time, you're trying to watch everything. But at least you can sort of prove one side out, and then when you run the second one, you know that side's going to
Well,
work.
you just have no bar there. That's what I would do. So.
What? So you would run this side, let it change over,
Yep. Then run
and then not
machine the main,
Yeah.
and then you've got one part to be able to size in and press go on, basically. You're doing all right, mate. You're doing all right.
Thank you.
Don't get used to it. Oh, it's all right.
That
keep going.
was scary as hell.
Yeah.
Not even gonna lie, that was scary down there.
It's all right.
I don't think I've gone over about 50% yet. I'm just saying.
Yeah, honestly, there's no wrong or right here. You just go at the pace what you're feeling comfortable
Yeah,
with, mate.
it's just making sure everything's...
Yeah. I might take the mic, but
I wouldn't expect anything different from you.
it's part of it.
Wow, that's it. I feel like this wouldn't be as bad if we were using like 12, 16 mm and stuff, but I think because everything's so small.
Yeah, and also we've done a demo to really show the machine off here. Most of the time, like superimposed machining is, you can't use it all the time. If you try to use it all the time, you might even slow the process
How
down.
close that's getting to the sub-spindle is just mad.
You know, if you've got the correct part for superimpose, that's what you use it for, but not all the time it will fix everything.
It's not a one-stop shop, is it? You've got to have the right part to make it work.
This part really suits superimposed. You know, but most of the time you might see this machine with just 2 spindles split up and that's it. Just like normal machining. But if you need 3 tools in cut, it will do it.
Yeah. Flexibility, I think, is the word we're looking for. It can sort of do everything it needs to. Yes, I did. I beeped there.
I beeped myself there as well.
Wow. Oh, this bit is just mental. So you can't even see that back tool. That's just...
You nervous?
It's just on it. It's how little the tools are, but also how close everything gets. Like, don't get me wrong, even though we've run the check, from what we were saying earlier, that like obviously the machine knows.
Make sure that, that's all right. Sometimes that collet sticks.
Right, so like what we were saying
done.
earlier, even though, thank you, but what we were saying earlier, even though the machine knows every tool holder you're using, it knows how big it is and like all the dimensions of it. We've run the high-speed check to make sure nothing's going to hit. It's still, things get so close.
Yeah, and
you're still a bit like.
You know, the machine is probably only as good as the person in front of it. You know, this is the problem.
Thank
like,
you. It's just a good machine. Thank you.
Well, let me stand up here. You know.
But it just.
If you've programmed it and the code's good, the machine is just like any other machine.
Yeah.
That's the best way of putting it.
It's just it's not as. I think if anybody watches this, I think the main takeaway really from today is that it's not as hard as you think.
Yeah.
To set all the tools up. Obviously, I haven't programmed this. You programmed this. So, but again, it's just like programming anything else.
Yeah.
Really, and obviously the machine will do a lot of that for you, or your CAD/CAM system will do a lot of that for you. But it's not as hard as you think to put the tools in. It's not that hard to set the tools, even if you use the old school method.
That's what I was trying to show you, you know.
But like, obviously you can get this with touch probes and stuff like that, so you can make it even easier.
Yeah.
And there's so many little safety features to help you not crash it and not break it.